So by the time a client gets to me, for example, they've been arrested. Most of them have, the general population of folks I represent are mostly men, mostly Black men. You layer that with maybe some mental health issue, some addiction. Um, you juice up that with this idea of classism and racism and inequities that are already intentionally built into the system, and you just have a group of people that it just seems just virtually constantly being maligned. And so my work is one where every morning I wake up, I ask God, I want to be able to make a difference in restoring the humanity of the person I encounter. And so what does that look like practically? It just means being able to say good morning and pre-COVID shaking your hand, right? Because up to that point, everybody is not shaking your hand. Everybody is either put you in handcuffs or shepherded you through whatever space you're in. It requires saying, good morning, Mr. Jones, for example, where everybody up to that point has called you the N-word or called you a defendant or called you all sorts of names besides your name, right? Some clients actually, when they first meet me and I say good morning, they're taken aback and I call them by their proper name and I set out my hand and I shake their hand. In that moment, they look at me and they say, like, you can see it quizzically all over their faces, like, whoa, whoa, this is going to be different. This person is going to recognize my humanity. And so it is, the work I do is really based on this idea that, lived out in Proverbs 31, verse 8, where it says, to give voice to the voiceless, to provide to the poor and the needy, and to bring about justice for those who haven't had it.